Today we learn alphabetic letter with 3 words. A. A for apple. A for alligator. A for ant. B. B for ball. B for bird. B for bat. C. C for cat. C for candy. C for car. D. D for dog. D for duck. D for doll. E. E for egg. E for elephant. E for eagle. F. F for fish. F for fox. F for frog. G. G for grapes. G for goat. G for gate. H. H for hen. H for house. H for hand. I. I for igloo. I for ice cream. I for iron. J. J for juice. J for jug. J for jam. K. K for kite. K for kettle. K for key. L. L for lion. L for lock. L for lamp.